All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1979 Volkswagen Bug. That's right, the famous Bug. Manual here, orange paint, convertible top. As you know, the Volkswagen Bug was very special, especially in the 70s, known to be a beach car. You'd see a lot of girls driving this car going down the road. More importantly, you remember the famous Herbie, which also was a Bug. This one, as I said, there's a manual. Got all our working gauges here, have your instructions for how to drive the manual. Got power steering, power brakes, aftermarket retro sound radio. Let's show you a little bit of the brakes. Really nice. The top is as solid as the car. Everything about it is just very fun, actually. Tiny little car, but you still have a very fun classic experience. As I'm shifting through each gear, going really smooth. And for you, or for those of you that don't know much about the Bug, the trunk is the engine, and the engine is in the trunk, which you never have to worry about somebody stealing your engine there. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.
Ow.